Welcome back. CP Trades here back with another weekly outlook for you guys. Today I'm gonna go over the charts and based on that do an analysis for the coming week and try to estimate where the price will most likely at the coming week. And yeah, let's take a look at the charts. Let's start at the weekly time frame. And oh man, I'm telling you guys, it looks so good. I mean, if you look at this, you automatically will notice that we are doing the distribution move after getting the manipulation of this beautiful range right here, marked in blue. So we had our accumulation, we got our manipulation, and now I'm looking forward for our distribution higher to new all-time highs. That's what I'm seeing right now. And we also got a pretty bullish reaction off of this. I mean, this candle looks really promising. I think this one ignites the new market maker buy model to new all-time highs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Regarding the weekly time frame, let's take a look at the weekly time frame. And yeah, as I mentioned last week, if we are really bullish, I wanted to see us get a CISD and also a inversion of these important bearish FJs here. And that's exactly what we got here. We got our CISD and our IFVG here, which I mark in gray. And yeah, what I also like about the structure is that we have extremely obvious displacement through these key levels here. That also amplifies my bullish bias. And yeah, if you take a closer look, you see that we got our all-time highs, yeah, but we also got low resistance liquidity, which were built up in the accumulation phase, which we had for a few weeks. And also, if you take another sharp look, you will notice these stacked equal highs here, which we also have built up. And yeah, we are currently reacting out of this bullish daily fair value gap and CISD. So we technically got our breaker model here. And this one looks pretty promising. Let's see if we have already have a highest time frame inversion. And yeah, pretty much looks like it. Yeah, not now. That's our drawn liquidity going into Monday or Tuesday. Depends on the economic calendar, which we will look at in a moment. And yeah, we can see that we kinda respect this bearish for our F3J. Yeah, I mean we close above it, but yeah, not really obvious displacement through this fair value gap. I mean, if we get something like that, then I'm really confident, okay, we will go here, hunt these buy stops and orders in general. So, but what I don't like is that we also have a range here. As long as we don't have clear and significant displacement through this fair value gap and this high, there's still a possibility that we just get this one, and that would be something I would be pretty cautious about. I don't want to see us just sweep this one. I want to see us displace through this level and get a close-up, in significant close-up of these bearish value gaps here. So I can confidently say that we will go hunt these buy stops here. The best case scenario for me would be if we, I mean, when we take a look at this, this is obviously bullish right now. We are respecting this for our fair value gap here. We wigged inside it and displaced back to the upside. And yeah, now we are obviously in a bullish scenario. We are grinding our way back up, and that also formed, and we also formed low resistance liquidity, I mean stacked highs here. And best case scenario for me would be if we would retrace inside this bullish fair value gap before we take out this buy side liquidity here. That would give us an opportunity to participate in longs, but only if we don't get a sweep of this buy side liquidity here. If we get something like that, I will be really careful. And yeah, technically you could consider some shorts inside this gap then, but I wouldn't really do that. Maybe for challenge accounts, for funner challenges, but I wouldn't really risk money on that, especially if we get a simultaneous tap inside this small gap here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everything important right now. There's nothing more significant here. Let's summarize. We are really bullish. We are respecting this weekly FVJ. We got big bullish displacement to the upside. We got our confirmation for longs. We have clear buys. We have clear targets above. We got on the one hand we got our low resistance liquidity, and on the other hand we got our relative equal highs here, which are extremely stacked. We are respecting this bullish daily FVJ. We get obvious displacement to the upside. It seems that we are targeting these highs here right now, and we technically also got our inverse here of the highest time frame inversion of the highest time frame fair value gap, excuse me. And yeah, we got our tap here. Internal structure is obviously bullish. And for Monday, I wanna see us, if we, on the one hand, already got our sweep here. If we already got our sweep here and now clear displacement above just a sweep here and displacement back inside the range, I won't really consider any participation in the market. But if we get something like that, no sweep of that one, and retracement inside this bullish FVJ, I could consider longs targeting these highs and maybe leaving a runner to these original drawn liquidity. If we get something like that, clear displacement above and through these highs, I will take some continuations in consideration. targeting our stack ties here. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. And we see, yeah, it looks pretty dog shit. We got our CPI week. So Monday, there are no news. I won't trade Monday, I think. Tuesday I will skip entirely because we got the day before CPI. These days tend to be really choppy. And Wednesday will be a trading day after CPI data release. Thursday as well, we get PPI. We can trade this after we get our release. And Friday as well, a trading day. So I would be at least careful Monday and Tuesday. Rest of the week will be tradable. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you have taken something for your trading. And as you guys know, trade safe, trade well, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.